Very good morning, MPH. Please have your seats. Myself, Gargi Parashar, English teacher, and we are conducting ASL activity, assessment for speaking and listening skills. So candidates, before starting the task, I need to know your names and roll numbers plus general introduction about both of yourselves. Candidate A will start with you.
My name is Gaurav Sharma and I am from Radha Public School, and my hobbies are to play cricket and play table tennis.
That's wonderful. What is your aim in your life?
Ma'am, I want to become an IAS officer.
Nice. So now candidate B, please.
My name is Ishita Agarwal of Radha Govind Public School. I study in standard 9th. My roll number is 14, and as you're talking about my hobby, they are like dancing and swimming.
What is your aim?
I want to be a doctor.
Wonderful. So now let me tell you the procedure that how we are going to conduct this activity, as this activity is subdivided into two parts, in two stages. So in stage 1, in task 1, what you have to do, you will have to choose any one topic of your choice. Fine. Then later you will have to speak it for the next minute at least. Then your co-partner will going to ask some question and then I will ask. Okay. So candidate A, which topic you have choose?
Environment.
Oh, wonderful. The topic of your choice is environment. Please go ahead.
Environment. Environment is a basic life support system which provides us air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat, and land where we live. Environment can be classified as natural environment and man-made environment. Land, air, water, river comprises natural environment, or all the God-gifted resources come in this category. And this natural environment is being modified by human beings according to their needs. And this modified environment is called man-made environment. Example, we are cutting down the forest for the human settlement and many other purposes. But when we are modifying the environment, many problems are rising, such as pollution and global warming. They are not directly affecting us, but they are affecting indirectly. Like the asthma patient is very panic, cannot breathe fluently and other things. So we should save our planet and our health too. So we should save our planet because it's not my planet or yours, but it's ours. Thank you.
Absolutely fine. So candidate B, can you ask a question to candidate A, please?
What steps can be taken to conserve environment?
To conserve environment, we can less use of cars and making the use of public vehicles and other things, and we should not use like refrigerator because they produce CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. They are very harmful for the ozone layer and other purposes.
Okay. Now my question goes for you is candidate A. You tell me, how can you motivate or how can you encourage people in the society to save environment on your own part?
Like we can make people aware. Means first we should start a step, then other will start, and we should make people aware about that what is environment and need to conserve environment and by what measures they can conserve environment.
Absolutely right. Now candidate B, it's your turn. You please go ahead with the topic now.
My topic is drug abuse. Drug abuse is a major social problem which affects the society at large. The monthly drug sale in India varies between rupees 100 crore to rupees 125 crore. The definitional aspect of term drug abuse states that it is the use of illegal drugs or the misuse of legitimate drugs in such a way that it causes harm to psychological and physical harm. It includes smoking, drinking alcohol, etc. It is really a stage when a body requires constant administration to remain functional. And if the use is disrupted, the normal body functioning is interfered with. This is a physical dependence upon drugs. There are sedatives present in drugs which relax our nervous system and are present in medical supervisions but can be misused by addicts. The drugs are merely taken by the students of high schools and the colleges to merely try new and adventurous things or under peer pressure. Narcotics are similarly like sedatives which give the feeling of pressure and reduce our hunger. Thus, to control the drug abuse, firstly, the students should be educated about the harmful effects of drugs at their early ages, and secondly, the strict laws should be made to punish the people who are dealing with such evil transactions.
Absolutely correct. Now candidate B, it's your turn to ask a question.
Why students are addicted to the drugs?
to try new and adventurous things or under peer pressure. Somewhere the internet and social media are also responsible for the students who are taking drugs.
Okay. My question goes for you is, as you said that it's a social major issue, the drug problem. You come to know recently that one of your friend is indulging in such kind of activities. So what measures you can take place on your part to save your friend, or I must say to encourage him or her to leave that particular habit?
First of all, I will explain him or her that you should not take the drugs as they are very harmful, and if the person is addicted to it, then it is not possible to get out of this. And secondly, I will ask her parents, his or her parents, to convince her and to make the and to convince her.
To convince her. Okay, that's fine. Both of your views are convincing enough. Now it's the end of the task 1. Now we'll move on to the next stage, which is based upon a prompt card activity. So I have a few task cards here, and in this task card, I have a situation for both of you, for which you'll have to find out your solution, and then you'll have to tell me your individual views about it. Both of your situation is, when students leave their classes to go to the library or playground, they do not switch off lights or fans, and even the taps are left on in the washroom. So with your partner, you discuss that how you can convince your classmates that they should be more responsible about this.
We should make them aware about the scarcity of water, that till 2020 the water will be scarce. And when the limited water is very limited, fresh water which is in the ice caps, but global warming is rising, so the fresh water is decreasing, so we should tell them. And rainwater harvesting can be used in homes to conserve.
Absolutely. Candidate B?
I will convince my classmate by explaining him or her about the use of electricity and water, that how important they are for us and for our future. As if the water will disappear, then there will no life on earth. And secondly, the children should be punished who are not taking their responsibility seriously, as it is our duty to switch off the lights and fans and to close the taps in the washrooms.
Fine, absolutely correct. I must say it's the best way to convince your classmates. So it's the end of the activities, end of the session. Thank you and good day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.